Chapter 4. Integers. Use of integers in our daily life. We use integers in our daily life in many situations. Some of them are given below. Profit, loss. Profit is denoted by a positive integer and loss is denoted by a negative integer. For example, profit of 100 rupees equal to plus 100 rupees and loss of 100 rupees equal to minus 100 rupees. Temperature, increase, decrease. Temperature above 0 degrees Celsius is denoted by a positive integer and temperature below 0 degrees Celsius is denoted by a negative integer. For example, temperature of Leh equal to below 5 degrees Celsius equal to minus 5 degrees Celsius. Direction east-west or north-south. If we consider the distance traveled 5 km towards the east as positive, then 5 km towards the west means minus 5 km. Similarly, if the distance traveled towards the north is considered as positive, then the distance traveled towards the south will be considered as negative. Height, depth. Height is denoted by a positive integer and depth is denoted by a negative integer. This implies that a height of 500 meter above the sea level is written as 500 meter, while the depth of 500 meter below the sea level is represented as minus 500 meter. Representing integers on the number line. To represent integers on the number line, draw a line and mark 0 in the center of the line. Now mark 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on at equal distances on the right of 0. And minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4 and so on at similar distance on the left of 0. Numbers on the right side of 0 are called positive integers and the numbers on the left side of 0 are called negative integers. In this way, we can represent every integer on the number line. Here we note that 1 and minus 1, 2 and minus 2, 3 and minus 3, etc. all are at equal distances from 0, but on the opposite sides. These are called opposites or negatives of each other. Comparison of integers. Observe the following number line of integers. In the above number line, we can see that the value of numbers increases when we move towards right and the value of numbers decreases when we move towards left. So we can say that minus 6 is less than minus 5, which is less than minus 4, which is less than minus 3, which is less than minus 2, which is less than minus 1, which is less than 0, which is less than 1, which is less than 2, which is less than 3, which is less than 4, which is less than 5, which is less than 6. In general, we get the following results. Every positive integer is greater than every negative integer. 0 is less than every positive integer and greater than every negative integer. If x and y are two integers such that x is greater than y, then minus x is less than minus y. If x is less than y, then minus x is greater than minus y.